Alright, so today we're going to go through just the setup instructions for the new Airseal 2.0 software, and then we're going to go through how to get into Airseal mode, and then we're going to go into how to go back into standard insufflation mode. So Airseal's two things. It's one tube set and it's one port. This is a 12mm port. We have 8mm ports and 5mm ports. Okay, so the first step would be to insert the tube set into the canister and then lock the silver lever. Once you do so, the screen's going to change and you're going to get ready to start the procedure. On the front of the screen, the left side is your flow settings, low, medium, and high. The middle is your pressure setting, which in this case we've set it at 15. And then the right side is your volumes or liters that have gone into the patient. So when the surgeon's ready for gas on, the end of the tubing is a single lumen tubing. You would take that, you would connect it to your varus needle, you would connect it to your any optical trocar or however they would access the abdomen, and then you would hit start. You see the flow changes on the settings, so we're getting 12 liters per minute into the abdomen, and then your pressure is going to change. For these purposes, I'm just going to turn it down to speed it up. So as the bag inflates, the pressure is going to increase. When it gets to the set pressure of 5, you'll see that the screen is going to change. It's going to tell you to connect the tri-lumen tubing to the Airseal port. In the new software, you no longer have to hit the blinking Airseal mode button down here. It'll automatically go into Airseal mode once you connect it to the port. So you're going to close your stopcock, you're going to disconnect it from here, you're going to connect it to the Airseal port, and it's automatically going to click into Airseal mode. On the new software, you're going to see a visual banner, and you'll also hear an audible tone once you're in Airseal mode. That's the audible tone. Once you hear that, you know you can pull the obturator out, and you can put the sound cap for the 12 and 8mm ports on top of the trocar. Okay? Sometimes there's a need to switch back to standard insufflation. In order to do that, we're just going to reverse the steps. Okay? So we're going to remove the sound cap. We're going to insert the obturator into the Airseal port. We're going to disconnect it from the Airseal port. Airseal will beep, letting you know that you have 15 seconds to connect it back to your standard insufflation tubing. Once you connect the two, it'll automatically click back into standard insufflation. At this point, what this is going to allow you to do is to remove your Airseal port and then close it with an endo close, or remove your specimen, or whatever you need to do. So that's it.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yep.